Let us talk about linkage and recombinations. Gregor Johann Mendel already to be described several diabetic processes in pea plants, such as two pairs of counterfeiting threads, round yellow seeds crossed with wrinkled green seeds. In the F2 generation would be phenotypic ratio, that is 9:3:3:1. In the same way, T.H. Morgan to be explained diabetic process in Drosophila melanogaster. Thomas and Morgan are also explained to be clearly chromosomal theory of inheritance. T.H. Morgan are also used to Drosophila melanogaster in their chromosomal theory of inheritance experiments. Gregor Johann Mendel is also used to only garden pea plant in their monotypic process and diabetic process, test process and back process. But T.H. Morgan, the Drosophila melanogaster to be using in their chromosomal theory of inheritance and also linkage and recombination process. Linkage and recombination process. T.H. Morgan only Drosophila melanogaster selected to be a genetic studies. Why? Because this Drosophila simply synthesized growing culture media in their laboratory, and they can be grown about 2 weeks. Lifespan is shortness life cycle completed in 2 weeks. And next one here, single mating can be produced large number of offsprings and easily identified to be male and female Drosophilas, and to be produced number of types of inheritance variations can also to be seen low power of the microscopes. These are the reasons to be using of genetic studies in Drosophila melanogaster to by T.H. Morgan. T.H. Morgan. So T.H. Morgan taking two examples. First example are here, two pairs of contrasting traits. Second example here, another two pairs of contrasting traits. First two pairs of contrasting traits are here, especially body color and eye color. Second examples of two pairs of contrasting traits are here, eye color and wing size. Eye color and wing size. So here first example are here, yellow body and white eye. This is a female Drosophila. Brown body and red eye. This is a male Drosophila. By means one parental female Drosophila can having yellow body and white eye. One parental male Drosophila are having brown body and red eye. These two are parental phenotypes. These two parental phenotypes will be carrying two types of genes. That is capital Y, capital W, small y plus, small w plus. Okay now. So yellow body, that is capital Y symbol, white eye, that is capital W symbol, brown body, that is small y plus symbol, red eye, that is small w plus symbol. This is one example, or this is a cross A. Second example are here. So one parental phenotype, white eye and miniature size wing. Second parental phenotype, red eye and normal size wing. So both two are parental phenotypes. So that is white eye, the symbol capital W, miniature size wing, the symbol small m, red eye, the symbol small w plus, and normal size wing, the symbol small m plus. These two examples are here, linkage and recombinations. Linkage and recombinations. So anyhow, in a diabetic class of pea plants would be phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1, but in Drosophila diabetic class of phenotypic ratio 7:1:1:1. Why? Because parental phenotypes would be appeared cross A 90%. So non-parental recombination would be appeared 10%. And cross B parental combinations would be appeared 70%. And non-parental combinations would be appeared 30%. 30%. Okay, now these two examples for linkage and recombinations. So linkage and recombinations, the best example are here Drosophila melanogaster. So to be observed T.H. Morgan, that is Thomas and Morgan. First we are going to what is the meaning of linkage, then after we are going to what is the meaning of recombination. Generally a single chromosome containing a single gene, this gene is always carried out characters, but sometimes one gene are carried out more than one character. So this type of gene or this type of phenomenon are known as pleiotropy. Pleiotropy. Generally one chromosome containing a single gene, this gene is always carried out some of the information, genetic information or genetic characters, but sometimes one gene containing more than one characters, carried more than one characters. So this phenomenon is known as pleiotropy. Pleiotropy. So here this is a one chromosome and this is another chromosome, that is X chromosome, and another one is Y chromosome. Generally, so X chromosome containing capital A gene, Y chromosome containing capital B gene. X chromosome containing capital A gene, Y chromosome containing capital B gene. Generally a single chromosome containing a single gene. This is a common rule. So these genes are located one specific place of the chromosome, that is known as locus. That is known as locus. Genes is always located one specific place in their chromosomes, that is called locus. So every locus consisting of one gene. But here in sometimes one chromosome containing two types of genes. One chromosome containing two types of genes. This is a one physical attachment. This is a one physical attachment. The physical attachment of chromosome containing two types of genes, that is called linkage. That is called linkage. For example, X chromosome containing two types of genes, that is capital A gene and another one is capital B gene. This is a one physical attachment or physical approach. This physical attachment of two genes are located on the same chromosome or X chromosome, that is known as linkage. That is known as linkage. This is a definition of linkage. And what is the meaning of recombination? What is the meaning of recombination? The best examples are here cross A example, cross B example. So first will be observed the cross A example, that is yellow body and also white eye, brown body and red eye. So these are the pairing of chromosomes. So a single pairing of chromosome containing two chromatids, containing two one chromosome of sister chromatid and another chromosome of sister chromatid, but both two are non-sister chromatids. These two are non-sister chromatids. So anyway, the genetic material transferred or exchange of genetic material only between of the non-sister chromatids, not exchange of the genetic material in their sister chromatids. Only is always effect of the non-sister chromatids. One chromosome of non-sister chromatid and another chromosome of non-sister chromatid is always to be attracted. Is always to be attracted. In this time to be appeared X shape. X shape by means to be those two chromatids over the crossing. Those two chromatids over the crossing, that is crossing over. This crossing over are clearly seen in X shape. X shape. So these are the non-parental combinations. These are the non-parental combinations. By means one parent of non-sister chromatid, another parent of non-sister chromatids is always closely together in their exchange of genetic material, one chromatid to another chromatid, one chromatid to another chromatid. So this phenomenon is known as recombination. This phenomenon is known as recombination. By means, so these two are parental combinations. Capital Y, capital W is one of the parental combination. Small y plus small w plus, this is the one parental combinations. Remaining capital Y, small w plus and small w plus, so capital W plus small y. These are the non-parental combinations. So any generation will be appeared non-parental combinations, that is called recombinations. That is called recombinations. So any two crossing overs, the phenotypic ratio would be 7:1:1:7. That is one parental genotypes capital Y, capital W, that is 7. Another parental genotype small y plus small w plus, that is 7. And another genotype capital Y, small w plus 1, small y plus capital W, only 1. Only 1. That is phenotypic ratio 7:1:1:7. By means in the crossing over of cross A, 98.7% parental combinations would be appeared, 1.3% recombinations would be appeared in their class A. And class B, parental combinations would be appeared 62.8%, non-parental combinations or recombinations would be appeared 37.2%. So first we will be discussed about class A. The class A recombinations is very low, but parental combinations is very high. Why? Because by means the yellow body and white eye, both two genes are together closely or tightly in this time to be having low recombinations. Low recombinations. This is the first one. And the second one here. So second one here, recombinations will be high. Parental combinations will be similar. Why? Because the white eye and the miniature size ring are loosely arranged. So hence will be appeared high recombinations. So the first example, class A would be appeared low recombinations. The second example, class B, recombinations would be appeared 37.2%. So why? Because so low recombinations and high recombinations. By means first one, yellow body and white eye, both are two genes are closely together. Second one, white eye and miniature size ring, both two genes are loosely arranged. This is the differences between class A and class B. And next one, TH Morgan student, Alfred Sturtevant to be made one genetic map. So this genetic map use only the frequency of recombination in their two genes. So by the distance between in their two genes. First cross A, this is a one chromosome. This chromosome containing two genes, that is capital Y, capital W. This two genes between of the recombination, that is 1.3%. This percentage is always described in map units, that is 1.3 map units. Second cross A, so this is a one chromosome. This chromosome containing two genes, that is capital W and small m. These two genes distance between 37.2% or 37.2 recombinations. 37.2 recombinations. This is a one type of genetic map. This genetic map to be discovered T.H. Morgan student, that is Alfred Sturtevant. Alfred Sturtevant. So this genetic map are also useful. So in the recombination sequence to the two genes in the same chromosome, and to be maintained or calculated the distance between the two genes. Okay, now this is the importance of linkage and recombinations. Linkage and recombinations are clearly shown of Drosophila melanogaster, observed by T.H. Morgan.